What's going on, guys? So today, pretty crazy topic. I'm gonna be showing you a kid, 6 years old, made $11 million in 2017. This guy's name is Ryan Toy Reviews. He's 6 years old. He's been reviewing toys. He's done it for about 2 years now. And he uploads pretty much every day with him playing with toys or reviewing some type of thing like board games, any kid's toys. Now, why does this work? Obviously, parents are gonna want to know if their kid's gonna like a toy, so they look it up, and instead of just an old person talking about it, trying to tell them, they wanna see how kids like it, how kids are playing with it. Is it safe? Does it look fun for them? Will their kid enjoy it? So you get toy reviews. Now, he has almost 12 million subscribers in it's been a little bit over 2 years actually. Now, that's insane, insane growth, especially for someone who's just reviewing toys on YouTube. So how did he make $11 million at 6 years old? Well, if we look at his Social Blade, which is just his breakdown of YouTube, he has about, what's his average? 35 million views a day. Now, if we do the math here and we say, okay, he gets 1 billion views a month. 1 billion. So if we just say he gets 1 billion, hold on, that's a lot of zeros. And then we divide it by 1,000 views, and average pay per 1,000 views on YouTube, we'll just say normal is usually $2 to $4. Let's just say $3. If we divide it by 1,000 and multiply by 3, that is $3 million a month from YouTube ad revenue alone, which is what he's at now. Obviously, it was lower in 2017, but now, 2018, the start of it, he should be doing about $2 to $3 million a month from ad revenue on the lower end. That's kind of mid-lower. That's a conservative estimate. He's gaining 40,000 subscribers on average a day. Completely insane numbers. And all he does is review toys. Now, he does have a second channel where he talks about different things with his family. Obviously, it's more of a family channel, just vlogging, just so they can make more money on that. But it's just him playing with toys. Now, I don't just want to say this to be like, look, he made this much. I want to show you how he was able to do it, how you guys can do the same thing. Obviously, not everyone's gonna jump to 11 million in 2 years, but this is just showing you guys what's possible, because so much is possible on YouTube. You guys know I'm a big advocate for personal branding, starting a YouTube channel, no matter what you're doing. Now, most people try and overanalyze, feel like they need to be an expert before they even get going. Oh, why would people watch me? I don't know what content to post. I'm not an expert at anything. There's so many different niches you can tackle when it comes to YouTube and personal branding. You can review things, you can vlog, you can teach a little bit, you can just document what you're doing. Say, hey, I'm starting to sell on Amazon. I don't know what I'm doing, but this is what I'm trying so far. This has worked for me, this hasn't. Follow me on my journey, because people want to relate. If you look at his channel, the parents relate to him because he's a kid and they're looking to buy toys for their kids. So it's, again, a relatability factor right there, which is the biggest thing on YouTube. You don't need to be an expert. You don't have to be rich. You don't have to know what to post yet. That's normal. And when I say this works in every niche, every single niche, no matter how big, how small, you can make money. Even small channels. There are channels of people I've taught who have gone through my course, link in the description, who have 2, 3, 4,000 subscribers, and majority of them, I'd say all of them, are over 10,000 profit a month from their personal brand. And they started a couple months ago. And that's only a couple thousand subscribers. No one's above 4,000 of that group I was talking about. Now, of course, we have bigger people, but you don't need a big following to make a lot of money. I was a perfect example of that. I was making about 300,000 with under 10,000 subscribers a month. So a lot is possible, and that was about 4 months into YouTube. So it can change quick. You don't have to be an expert, just get started. Now, if you're saying, I have no idea what to post, I made my YouTube channel, I know I should start YouTube, but I don't know where to begin, you don't have to be an expert at anything. All the people who are successful started their YouTube channel, uploaded content, and then figured it out as they went along. You don't have to know how YouTube SEO works. You don't have to know what tags or what title. You don't have to know how to make thumbnails. If you have good content, everything else shouldn't matter as much as your content, because there's a couple key factors with YouTube when you want to rank. Watch time being a big one, so how long people stay on your video. If you guys clicked off this video at 30 seconds and the majority of people do that, it's not gonna get pushed by YouTube because you guys aren't staying long enough to see ads. So YouTube loses money if they push a video that people don't stay on a lot. If it has good engagement, and a couple other factors which I'm not gonna get into right now. I have other videos on that. But you don't have to know what you're doing. Start uploading content, try and upload, I'd say 3 times a week. Just start, even if you're gonna upload once a month, start your channel. I've had people get a couple hundred subscribers from one upload in 1 week, 500 subscribers. And there's multiple cases of that with people who've gone through my course. So you don't have to be an expert. You don't have to know what to post. Literally talk to the camera, say, okay guys, I'm gonna say this is an Amazon example. I'm starting selling on Amazon. I just created my account. Here's how I did this. I don't have an LLC yet. I don't know what I'm gonna do for that. I'm looking at this and this. Here's what I plan to do in the future. Here's what I'm struggling with right now and I don't know, but I'm gonna go teach myself this and this, and I'll keep you guys updated. Now, if you're just starting Amazon and you watch that video of me saying that, you're gonna be like, oh cool, he's like the same thing I'm doing, maybe he'll find some information I don't, and we can kind of help each other, and boom. That's huge relatability factor right there. You're building trust, you're building that relationship, which is what YouTube's all about. When people can relate to you, they start to trust you, they feel like they know you. I guarantee a lot of people who watch me on a daily basis feel like they know me. So if you came up to me in person, start talking, you'd feel like you already know me, which is the goal of YouTube. I'm the same off of YouTube ad. On YouTube, I'm a little bit less douchey in person, believe it or not. So I just want to show you guys kind of what's possible, because so many people, YouTube's not sexy like Amazon is, where it's like, oh, I can make a lot of money quick, because people don't know about it yet. They think they have all these misconceptions. I need to be an expert. I need to know what to post. I need to know how to do YouTube SEO. I can't make a course. That's the only way to make money on YouTube. Completely false. There's so many different ways to make money. YouTube ad revenue. Affiliate links. If this guy he doesn't put affiliate links in any of his videos for some reason, but if he put an affiliate link to whatever he was talking about, you best believe he's getting probably tens of thousands of dollars worth of affiliate revenue, which I don't know why he doesn't. I'm sure there's a reason. He's probably backed by Toys R Us or something like that, where they give him free toys to review, and they probably pay him X amount a month, would be my assumption. Walmart, Target, not Target probably, but Toys R Us, something like that. It's probably sponsored by him, so he doesn't get affiliate links, which is 99% probably what it is. I haven't researched that far, but so much is possible, guys, even if you're doing something else. I don't care what you're doing. If you're an artist, if you're trying affiliate marketing, if you're starting Amazon, if you're doing nothing, you're going to school and you just like watching my videos, start a YouTube channel. Your worst case, your worst case, let's say you get 5,000 subscribers by the end of the year and you upload 3 videos a week. Okay, now you're making probably $1,000 a month from YouTube ad revenue consistently, just from posting 3 videos a week, maybe taking you an hour. Is it worth it? At your worst case, you don't need any money to start. You just post, and your worst case is you're gonna be positive $1,000 a month within a year, and growing from there, you're gonna grow faster because it's exponential. It can be slow at the start, but it doesn't have to be if you know what you're doing. So this is me urging you guys to go start YouTube, because you've heard me say it. You're like, yeah, I know. For me, I was like, yeah, I know the potential YouTube has. I can't talk in front of a camera. I hate looking at cameras. Just so you know, I hate my picture being taken. I hate being videotaped. I would not say anything and I'd hide if someone was videotaping. Looking at the camera was painfully awkward for me. And I didn't look at the camera when I film. I still don't really because it's up high, but you don't have to speak well. You don't have to have good equipment. Look at my first videos. I'm awkward. I don't speak well. I don't know how to edit, so I didn't edit any of my videos. I don't know any graphic design, so I wouldn't really do thumbnails. I put words over one picture on an app. And I had bad audio, bad video quality, but I had good information and I knew what people wanted. And I was real, I was transparent, and I was relatable. So my channel grew. You don't have to have all the fancy things. It's all about the content. And yes, they can help getting better video, knowing exactly what to talk about, knowing how to do SEO, but it's not necessary by any means. I got to 50,000 subscribers with the webcam and microphone in my computer. You can do it with a phone, which is probably better quality than that. And I did it without ever editing a single video, without ever doing graphic design or paying anyone to do it. So Don't give me any of your crap excuses. It can be as much time as you want. If you want to do one video a month, 30 minutes a month, then do it. But you can't tell me you don't have time, you don't have the money, you don't know where to begin, because there's so much information out there. So if you guys are interested in something like this or learning more about it, I do have a course on personal branding, which is pretty much just starting the YouTube, building a following, and how to monetize it and do kind of all the stuff I mentioned in this video. So if you're interested, that will be the first link in the description. And as always, the Amazon course will be, we'll put it second this time. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you stayed this long, give me a comment and let me know what kind of videos you guys want to see next. Do you want to see more Amazon? If so, what topics? And please be specific. Make sure to like the video, subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you guys tomorrow.